Let's go, let's go. I actually go B. I'll not be B anchor, but you know.
They are smoking for fuck's
Out man, 3.
Ivy. Is that Ivy, right? Just move to memory, guys.
I think I'll go eco though, so let's buy MP9, let's throw insane flash, and we're gonna just push. It's pretty easy. That's what I want. Let's go. Amen 3 at least. Oh, let's go. I know what we're gonna do. Now. You know what, guys? I have a really good idea. I'm gonna throw the flash of the fucking wood on B-stairs. It's so easy. Best play ever. They will not expect it. Like, there is full shock. I know it worked in CSGO back in the day, but I kinda lost the spawn because of this guy. But let's see if this works in CS2 as well.
One more right.
It actually works. Bro, the aesthetics of this map, like the whole atmosphere is just so beautiful, like, I love it. And the rain effect, oh my god. I wonder if there could be like a map where there's like this snowy night map, you know? And it's like snowing. Like something like Office, but it's literally snowing.
I break the smoke. Go peek the smoke, bro. I break the smoke.
Maybe Ivy, guys. There should be Ivy.
Watch out for Ivy, guys.
I didn't see B. Bomb. Come. This map is cool. I love it. Okay, let's try something here. Let's try to molly, flash. Has to be. Planter in smoke. Clear.
Up down. I can go.
That main. Nice. Okay, let's just play more. Let's try this. They'll not expect it.
Pop.
It's like pop flash or something. Let's go. Ah, we missed the fucking spray. Yeah. Sometimes when I like moving a lot and I'm doing those long slides and stuff, I sometimes fucked up. It's just, it is what it is, right? I hope. I think they'll go B rush now. I have the feeling. I'm gonna hold B alone, okay? Let me hold B alone. Play for A. Play Ivy, play main, pop dog. B rush, B rush. Actually no, they've stopped.
One Ivy. They smoke something. Get Ivy. Get Bob. Main one.
Bob,
I
okay,
kill
B.
main. Don't make a good call. Come on, man. We need this one. Yes.
I have best call ever, guys. Best call ever. You want to hear it?
Yeah, Rush B. What?
Rush A. Through main. Just jump like a monkeys. It's easy.
Con.
Ivy. 2 Ivy.
Okay, I'm going pop them.
They are holding me. I'm gonna push this.
Let's go B slowly. Let's go. Oh, why is...
Why?
Sorry guys, that's my bad.
One more was.
Last B should be.
Red Ivy.
I'm gonna jump.
Maybe B.
Side dead.
Guys, I need one more kill and we hit 30 bomb.
Go B, no?
Just go rush, yeah, go rush B.
Okay.
Ivy.
City a lot.
Sorry. Easy 30, bro. One more. Safe.
One
One
more
more,
city.
Yeah, it's gonna be there.
Let's go. Nice. GG second. Let's go, guys. First game on train. 32 bomb. Easy. Subscribe, like, comment, and see you next video. Bye.